Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Guidental. This is Dr. Saib Singh. So the subject for today's video is going to be oral medicine and radiology. This subject is being discussed in two parts. The first part will comprise of all the oral medicine topics, that is oral medicine, and the second part will comprise of oral radiology, that is all the radiology topics. Whatever topics I'll be mentioning in my videos are also mentioned in my blog by the name of Guidental, the link for which is given in the description. So starting with oral medicine, the first topic is white and red lesions. You should know the classification of white and red lesions, and four long notes could be asked from this chapter, that is oral lichen planus, leukoplakia, oral submucous fibrosis, that is OSMF, and candidiasis. Next chapter is pigmented lesions. So you should know the classification of pigmented lesions in detail: Peutz-Jeghers syndrome, smoker's melanosis, oral melanotic macule, and oral malignant melanoma. In oral malignant melanoma, you should pay special focus on Clark's level of invasion and Breslau's measurement. Next chapter is salivary glands. You should know the classification of salivary gland diseases in detail: salography, sialometry, xerostomia, Sjogren syndrome, ranula, sialolithiasis, pleomorphic adenoma, Warthin tumor, mucoepidermoid carcinoma, and acinic cell carcinoma. Coming to the next chapter, that is dental considerations in cardiovascular system. You should know only the dental considerations of hypertension and ischemic heart disease. You should know the prophylactic antibiotic regimen for cardiac patients and anticoagulant therapy. All of whatever you will be studying in the cardiovascular system, only study the dental considerations or those points which are relevant to dentistry, nothing else. Next chapter is headaches. In headaches, you should know about temporal or giant cell arteritis, the classification of headaches, tension type and cluster type of headache, and the preventive treatment of headache. Next is cervicofacial lymphadenopathy. It is asked as a short note. Next chapter is forensic odontology. You should know the definition of forensic odontology, the techniques of identification of an individual via forensic odontology, dental index as a short note. Age estimation. In age estimation, you should know the classification of methods: Demirjian method, Qualls tooth pulp ratio, Moore's Fanning and Hunt scoring method, and Gustafson's method. Next, you should know about bite marks and lip prints. This can be done from an oral pathology. It is an overlapping topic in oral pathology as well as oral medicine. Also, you should know about ameloglyphics. You should know the patterns of enamel formation and the peel technique. The next chapter is leukocyte disorders. You should know only the dental considerations of infectious mononucleosis, Chidiac-Higashi syndrome, leukemia, Hodgkin's and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Next is respiratory disorders. You should know the dental management of patients with respiratory disorders. It is asked as a general short note, like what are the dental considerations in a respiratory patient. So you don't need to study a disease in particular, but all the dental considerations of a typical respiratory disorder, that can be combined into one answer. That's it. Next short note is geriatric patients. Here you should know the oral manifestations and management in geriatric patients as a short note once again. Next chapter is autoimmune disorders. You should know the classification of autoimmune disorders and three short notes, that is systemic lupus erythematosus SLE, rheumatoid arthritis, that is RA, and scleroderma. Next is liver and GIT. You should know only the dental considerations of hepatitis, GERD, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease, Plummer-Vinson syndrome, and inflammatory bowel disease. Next, coming on to neuromuscular disorders. You should know the classification of neuromuscular disorders and three short notes, that is cerebral palsy, Bell's palsy, and Parkinsonism. Next chapter is oral cancer. You should know the definition, etiology, oral manifestations, radiotherapy and teletherapy in detail, and the side effects of cancer treatment. Coming on to temporomandibular joint or TMJ disorders. You should know the classification of TMJ disorders in detail, and four long notes can be asked, that is myofascial pain dysfunction syndrome MPDS, dissociative joint disease, that is DJD, articular disc displacement, and ankylosis. Next, coming on to orofacial pain. You should know the axis classification of orofacial pain, general management modalities of orofacial pain disorders, and 3 short notes, that is trigeminal neuralgia, post-herpetic neuralgia (PHN), and burning mouth syndrome, that is BMS. Coming on to vesiculobullous lesions, you should know the classification of vesiculobullous lesions in detail, and 5 long notes can be asked. Herpes simplex virus, that is HSV, varicella zoster virus, that is VZV and shingles, Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, erythema multiforme, and pemphigus and pemphigoid. So thank you so much for watching this video. This was the end for the first part, or the oral medicine part of the subject of OMR, that is oral medicine and radiology. If you found this video to be useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Guide Dental for further updates. Thank you so much.